In a surprising twist to the legendary reggae singer Coco Tea's passing, his first daughter, Roshane Scott, has taken to the media to clear the air, and what she shared has tongues wagging across Jamaica and beyond. Roshane, who identifies herself as Coco Tea's first daughter, didn't hold back. She opened with respectful words, saying, "May my father's soul rest in peace," and called him a good person, a great icon, and a great legend. But she never once said he was a good father. That absence alone left many people raising eyebrows. In her video, she revealed that she and her brother Junior did not attend their father's funeral, and although some family members were bashing them for it, she claimed the circumstances didn't allow it. Still, she made a point to thank the cousins for stepping up to bury Coco Tea. People are wondering if cousins refers to a surname, as in the well-known Cousins family from Hayes, or actual relatives remains unclear, but she also said Coco Tea's nephew buried him. "Hello, Miss Roshane, first you said the family, the cousins, then you said it's Coco Tea's nephew. Hello, miss, once you went public, it became a whole mix-up, and everyone's got a spoon in the pot. You need to be careful with how you share your side of things. When it's not clear or too vague, people start filling in the blanks with their own version of the story, and that's where the gossip gets messy. Once it's out there, it's open for interpretation. Anyway, let's continue, here come the real drama." According to Roshane, Coco Tea's wife, known as Reds, allegedly used his money to support other men, including one living in his house and another, a policeman, for whom she supposedly built a house. Roshane was careful to say that part was hearsay, but still put it out there. What she was firm about was that in 2003, when she saw her father in New York and asked him for money, he told her he didn't have any, because Reds had taken everything from his account. But here's where the old people wisdom comes in, the same stick was stick goat, stick sheep. It's a saying that hits hard. Because long before all this, Coco Tea himself left his first wife, the one who struggled with him when he had nothing, for a younger woman from the same Rocky Point district. That same first wife now reportedly sells on the roadside with a stall, while the woman he left his first wife for is now being accused of kicking him out of their home into a nursing home. After all the years together, it seems like she had no issue moving him out and moving someone else in, allegedly a doctor.